Mtsamaisi wa mosebetsi, I should mention that this is not the first time, as I said, to be attending this service, but I'm very grateful. To worship with you. As someone also raised in the church, I fully understand the significance of this occasion. As the book of the First Thessalonians, chapter 5, verse 12 up to 13, says the following: Dear brothers and sisters, honor those who are your leaders in the Lord's work. They work hard amongst you and give you spiritual guidance. Show them great respect and wholehearted love because of their work, and live peacefully with each other. Close quote.